to my channel. I am Janvi and today I am filming a nighttime skincare routine with Jay. Like, I'll take you through all my steps I do for my nighttime skincare. Yes, Jay is spilling a lot of secrets today. So if you guys want to know how I keep my skin so hydrated, nourished and clean, watch the entire video and do follow the steps. First step, what I did was, like, obviously cleanse your face. The cleanser I used was this T3 Mamaearth's. This is the cleanser I used. I just love this product. This is the Mamaearth T3 face wash with tea tree and neem for acne and pimples. So basically this is for oily skin type and I just love using this product. Like, because of this I have no acne, no pimples, nothing on my skin. And I finished like almost 10 to 12 bottles of this, and I'm so continue using this product. I don't know till when, but yeah, this is a must buy cleanser, like for if you guys have oily skin. I usually don't have pimple and acne, but I don't know, somehow this cleanser suits my skin a lot. That's why I love using this cleanser. Cleanser I use is this Pond's cleanser. It's the Bright Beauty Spotless Glow face wash, which has advanced vitamin B3 plus formula. So this product also I've been using for ages now. I guess I was in the 7th grade when I started first using face wash, and this was the face wash I started using and I use it till now. I swear by this product, so there's no going back. This is the product I use and it suits my skin, so I keep using the products that suit my skin. The next step I do is obviously tone your face. A toner is a must. Like, when you cleanse your face, your pores tend to open up, so you need to close your pores back. So for that you need to use a you need to use a toner. So the toner I am using is Biotic, this one. Okay, I guess you guys can see it. It's this one. This is the Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters for normal to oily skin. So this is the toner I used. I know there is a lot of change in the background because yes, this is my parents' room. I have just come here to film this nighttime skincare routine because I know you guys get bored by the same background and I don't want you guys to get bored. So I thought of, like, why not use a different background today. I'll do anything for you guys, yeah, come on. Cleansing, the next thing I do is tone my face. Don't forget your neck, guys. As you take care of your skin, make sure to take care of your neck because it's as important as your face, okay? What do you do? Just like air dry your face. After applying each product, don't rush and apply the second product because the product takes time to work. So give it a minute or so just to absorb. The product absorbs in your skin, let it absorb, okay? After toning my face, the next product I use is this L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence, which gives you smoothing and radiance, okay? So this is the product. Make sure before serum, before moisturizing, the next thing you do is use the essence if you have. So I take like 3 to 4 drops of essence. And always make sure when you apply the essence, it has to be like, you have to pat it on the skin, not rub, okay? Never rub an essence. Next step I do is I apply a serum. This is the serum I use. Okay. So this is the 2% salicylic acid face serum for active acne, which has salicylic acid with hazel and willowback. I use both during the day and at night. So this is the 2% salicylic acid. It is the Dermaco. It is from the Dermaco. Like, just a drop. Always use a good serum, you guys. Invest in a good serum because it deeply absorbs into your skin. I used to not apply serum. It's been almost a year I started using a serum and I have seen a lot of difference in my skin. Like after using serum, it is like it looks more radiant, it looks more flawless. The Dermaco is a really good brand, and I really swear by their products. So the next favorite thing, also I swear by this brand. Okay guys, the next thing what I'm showing, this is the Plum Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is the night gel. This is the green tea night gel. So I have a oily skin type. Oily skin type people should use gel based products. Okay. Okay, the next product I use is this. It's from Apollo. Just apply it entirely. The next thing I do is, of course, please folks, invest in a good eye cream, because eyes are the most attractive thing in a person. The eye cream I use is this Mama. You have seen like almost all the products are like from Mamaearth, mostly because that's the product I love. That's the brand I swear by and I use it a lot. So this is the eye cream I use. That's this Mamaearth eye cream, under eye cream with cucumber and coffee. So this is for puffy eyes. It's mineral oil and paraben free with bioactive, suits all skin types. I take this product in my ring finger. This is the product, this much product. Always remember guys, when you apply an eye cream, you always use your ring finger, okay? Ring finger. Use your ringy finger because it gives the lightest pressure, okay? And apply it around your eyes. Look up. Be very gentle, you guys, because the area around your eyes, the skin around your eyes is very delicate, is very sensitive. If you touch it, it's the light. It has a very thin layer of skin. So you have to be very gentle. That's why I told you like use your ringy finger, because this is the lightest pressure. This finger has the lightest pressure, okay? The ring finger has the lightest pressure compared to the other fingers. So these are the 7 products I use. Like this, there are only 7 steps. You can do it, right? It doesn't take you that long. Come on, you can't spend 5 minutes in a day for yourself. Then what are you doing on earth? Please don't stay on earth. Just go to some other planet. Taking care of yourself is the first thing that should be in your priority list, not something else. Okay, self-love is the best love. Then I apply this Vaseline thingy on my lips, and my favorite lip balm. Like if you don't want to apply a lipstick or something like that, you can just apply this Biofruit whitening lip balm. This is the lip balm. Guys, let me tell you, this is the best lip balm. It gives you such a nice tint to your lips and it's so moisturizing. I'm done with my skincare, and the last step I do is apply a moisturizer to my hands, because your hands are also important. This is the Oriflame Milk and Honey Gold Hand and Body Cream. So this is the moisturizer I use. I almost finished it because it's that good, and the smell of it, oh god, don't ask it. There you go, just moisturize my hands. You guys, I know you guys are waiting to see my fit, like what I'm wearing right now, and I'm way more excited to show you this fit because it's that super cute. Let me show you my fit, what I'm wearing. So this is the fit I'm wearing today. This is the lounge set from Urbanic. It has this bow thingy and has this heart over here, and it's really very pretty and very comfy. Let me pose. Thingy also is very cute. You can just like take it out like this if you wanna, like if you don't want to show that thingy, like if you wanna cover, you can cover, and if you wanna show that bow thingy, you can just like do it like this, like me, and then it'll be visible. Also you guys, I am closing off my video right here. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you guys are notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, thank you and good night. Lots of love. Mwah.